Hello there. For your choice of the newest laptops in 2020, check out the latest 14 inches thin and light Lenovo laptop PC. Newest Lenovo thin and light laptop PC 14 inches full high-definition anti-glare display. AMD dual-core A6 9220C, 4GB RAM, 64GB eMMC. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. HD webcam, HDMI, USB-C, Windows 10 Pro. Breaking down the barriers to success powered by AMD A6 dual-core processing and Windows 10. The Lenovo 14W performs seamlessly, no matter the task. Supporting thousands of educational and business apps at the Microsoft Store. It also encourages greater collaboration. Teamwork, making the dream work. Microsoft Teams is the digital hub that brings conversations, ideas, and apps together in one place. Together with the 14W laptop, it helps your teams to achieve more by enabling them to communicate more effectively and work better together in a customized, secure online workspace. Easy on the eyes behind the stamped aluminum shell cover. The 14 inches FHD display boasts a 6mm narrow bezel, plus IPS and anti-glare technology. The result is a larger, more vibrant screen with wide-angle viewing that's less of a strain on your eyes. There's also a touchscreen option for faster, more intuitive interaction. Because things happen with military-grade durability, the 14W can more than handle the bumps and knocks of everyday life. Its full-sized keyboard and mechanically anchored keys are spill-resistant up to 1.39 cups, 330 milliliters. Bringing everyone closer together with two microphones, the front-facing 720p HD camera enables closer collaboration from across the room or across the globe. Easy to use, it makes video conferencing a breeze and more rewarding for everyone. Battery up to 10 hours, 57 Whr battery life based on testing with Mobile Mark 2014. Battery life varies significantly with settings. Click on the link below in the description to place your order. Amazon is currently offering some amazing offers on this laptop. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Leave a comment, like or share our videos. Bye bye for now.